Hello Hungry fam, my name is Akansha and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to recreate the new Momo Mia pizza and cheesy baked momos from Pizza Hut. That too without any recipe and see if I can make it better at home. Before starting the video, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram @HungerPlans. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. As far as I know that pizza sauce ke badle they used Szechuan sauce. So first let's make that. Here I soak 2 types of dried chilies in water for 2 hours so that they are nice and soft. Now add the chilies with the soaked water and let the chilies boil for 10 to 20 minutes. Cover it, neither you will be coughing a lot, so be careful. Then cool it down completely and grind it into a paste. Now in a pan add 4 to 5 tablespoon oil, half cup garlic, 2 tablespoon ginger and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the chili paste we made. Add 1 teaspoon each of salt, sugar and soy sauce. Mix it. Then add 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons vinegar. Mix. Finally add half cup of water we boiled the chilies in. Saute, then cover and let the sauce cook for 10 minutes. Already it looks so vibrant and authentic. You can store this sauce up to 2 to 3 months in an airtight glass container. Now I'm going to make veg momos. For the filling, in a pan add 2 tablespoon oil, 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, half teaspoon ginger, half teaspoon green chili and saute for a minute. Then add 1 chopped onion and 1/4 cup of carrots. Saute again for a minute or 2. Then add 1 big cup of cabbage. Saute for 4 to 5 minutes and add 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, black pepper powder. Mix and let it cool down. Here I already rolled the momo dough into a disc. We already have 4 to 5 momo recipes, so kindly check that out. Recipe link will be in the description box below. Place 2 tablespoon filling on the disc. Now start folding and rolling it. Twist it and pinch out the extra dough. Here our veg momos are ready to steam. Place it on a steamer and let it cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Then keep it aside. Here I have a well-risen pizza dough. Again, recipe link will be in the description box. Knock off all the air and knead it for a minute or 2. On a baking tray which I lined with silicone mat, I sprinkled some corn flour. Actually, you should use corn meal, but I couldn't find it, so it's fine. Flatten out the pizza dough. Place 6 of the steamed momos near the edge of the crust, opposite to each other. Then give a cut in between the momos and fold the dough around the momos like so. Prick holes on the base using a fork. Apply the Szechuan sauce we made. Add mozzarella cheese. Then the veggies, that is sliced onions, capsicum and boiled corn. Sprinkle some oregano and chili flakes. Again I added a layer of cheese on top, but don't add it, you will know why later on. Apply butter on the edge and bake for 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Our Pizza Hut order is also here. Their pizza also looks and smells amazing. I can see a lot of toppings. The crust has a nice brown color. The momos are chotu sa, but it's fine. Let's taste it. Okay, no cheese pull. Let's see the inside. That was quite decent. But as you can see, the edges where the momos are, it is very thick and very doughy. Surprisingly, the momos also have a nice filling and it's very tasty. Though I feel it's maida over maida, but it's quite good. This pizza has a unique flavor and this Chinese and Italian combination also works. Their pizza part is just amazing. Now let's check our pizza. Okay, this is why I said not to add cheese on top, because you can't see the toppings and the cheese has browned a lot compared to the crust. I don't know why I added it, but other than that, our Momo Mia pizza looks quite symmetrical and very similar to the Pizza Hut one. The cheese pull was also okayish. About the taste is really nice. but to be honest, the flavor, it's not at all similar to the Pizza Hut, especially the pizza part. Our pizza tastes more like authentic Chinese, but it's really good, huh? The base turned out very well. The best part about a pizza is the edges, that they are not thick. That's why the momos are shining here. It doesn't feel like maida on maida. So I'm going to rate our recreation a 7 on 10. For the baked momos, I'm going to make the chicken version. You can use the same vegetarian momos as well, or any momos you like. In a bowl, I added 200 grams of minced chicken, 1 teaspoon garlic, 1 teaspoon of green chili, 1 teaspoon salt and black pepper powder, half teaspoon soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of oil. Mix it all together. Now place approximately 1 tablespoon on the rolled dough. Fold and make pleats till half. And close the momos like so. If you don't have a steamer, I have an alternative. You can use a cooker. Place any grill on the cooker filled with water. Apply oil over it. Place the momos. Cover with the lid and let it steam for 10 minutes. Now in a baking tray, add 2 teaspoons of Szechuan sauce, 1 tablespoon pizza sauce. Now you know where to find the recipe link, so definitely check out the description box below. Now spread it out evenly. Add a bit of mozzarella cheese. Place 4 momos. Again, add a nice thick layer of mozzarella cheese, sprinkle chili flakes and a bit of oregano. And bake it for only 5 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. First, let's taste the cheesy baked momos from Pizza Hut. Looks quite decent. Okay, there's no cheese pull because order aake approximately 15-20 minutes ho gaya, so it's fine. But the taste is very delicious. The chicken is very flavorful. It's literally like the momos you get on the streets, which I didn't expect from a fast food chain. Its Szechuan sauce is also very spicy, but so good. Now let's taste the baked cheesy momos we made. By the looks, it looks more cheesy, and just look at that cheese pull. It's amazing. Wow, the taste is also very similar. The chicken is very juicy and moist. The pizza sauce and the Szechuan sauce combination is amazing. Just the difference, I can see that they added a bit of mayo, which is making their momos very creamy, but ours is very cheesy, so it balances out the creaminess. I absolutely love this one, so definitely give it a try. And I would rate it a 9 on 10. So overall, if you ask me, I enjoyed eating all the food today. But honestly, I think Pizza Hut is a clear winner here. So let's hope in the next video I can beat the fast food chain. Till then, let me know what you want to see next. Today's shout out goes to Parmar Drashti, Shashi Gupta and Anvesha Gupte. If you want to shout out, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram and comment on this video telling me that you have. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.